Hello, friends. In this talk, we are going to be talking about how to simulate and troubleshoot a Stack Overflow error in Scala applications, right? That's what I'm going to be talking about. To facilitate our discussion, here I have put together a very hypothetical Scala program, which will simulate the Stack Overflow error. So, friends, look at this. So this is the class. We have the Stack Overflow app. It has this main method, which is the entry point, right? When it comes, this main method is invoking a start method, right? So let's see what is the start method does. So here is the start method definition. Here is the start method calls a method called another, right? So here is this another method's definition. You see what's happening is another method. This is the another method definition. What it's doing, it's calling the start method. So start method is going to be coming here. And the start is calling another, and another is calling start. So both of them are calling each other again and again and again, right? That's what's going on. So there's no termination condition here. It's just they're calling each other again and again and again. So that's what is going on here. So, friends, we will give you the description video where we talk about how your JVM executes a program. So where your objects are stored. What are the different regions in memory where their threads are stored, and what are the things which goes into the thread stack frame, right? So you may want to look into that, which may be helpful to get a better context, right? But however, when this happens, what's going to happen to, there's a thread which is always executing this. Each thread has its own stack, right? So in the stack frame, so in the stack frame, what it's going to happen is it's going to put it's going to have a start method in the stack frame. After this, it's going to have another method, and after this, it's going to have a start method, another method. Just keeps on going. So when these methods, when it's added to the stack frame, and when it goes beyond the thread's stack size, the thread stack size is defined by the JVM argument -XSS. When it goes beyond that limit, then that's when you're going to get the stack overflow error, right? But when this happens, it's very fairly trivial to isolate, because when the stack overflow happens, it's going to be printed on your console or in your error stream. Right? When this program was executed, you see the stack overflow error. And here you can see there is this another method, start method, another start methods keep on piled up in a thread stack frame. So and it also shows this what class and what line this problem is happening. So equipped with this information, you can go and then see, oh, okay, so they're infinitely calling each other without any termination. We can add a termination condition, and then we can go about fixing this, right? So this is one way to troubleshoot and fix the stack overflow error in Scala, right? Any questions or any thoughts or any comments? Okay. So thank you, friends. We'll talk in at another interesting session. Thank you, everyone.